headphones signed by Roccat Khan Aimo. This widens the range of accessories for gamers with the launch of a gaming headset that stands out as the second of the brand that counts between its specifications with a high-res audio certification and the possibility of offering a sound quality of up to 24 bits to 96 kHz. The Roccat Khan Aimo, as that is its name, are circumaural headphones that make use of a headband made of stainless steel. The pad and headband filling makes use of foam and it comes covered with synthetic leather. Headset in line with what we can find in the gaming market. And in this sense make a commitment to the visual to include an AIMG RGB lighting system, which allows the user to choose between 16.8 million colors and various lighting modes to customize Khan Aimo. In addition, Roccat Khan Aimo allow the simulation of a 7.1 sound, ideal to exploit the sound capacity of some video games. For their connection they offer a USB socket that also serves to power the lighting system and an integrated microphone to communicate in the games.